Hey guys, welcome to English Test World. Let's start. Question 1. When did, was, have you go to the USA? Last year. The correct answer is did. When did you go to USA? Last year. Question 2. Did she stay with friends? No, she didn't. No, she didn't stay. No, she didn't stay. Did she stay with friends? No, she didn't. Question 3. She has never to New York gone, was, been. She has never been to New York. Question 4. I haven't got any money, never mind. I will get, I'm getting, I get some from the bank. I will get some from the bank. Question 5. Did, do, have you ever visited London? The correct answer is have. Have you ever visited London? Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Question 6. I'm hungry. I like something to eat. I would like something to eat. I'm like something to eat. I'm hungry. I would like something to eat, please. Question 7. He had born. He is born. He was born in 1963 in America. He was born. Question 8. Switzerland is smallest, more small, smaller than Britain. Switzerland is smaller than Britain. Question 9. Motorizing is the most expensive, more expensive, as expensive sport in the world. Motorizing is the most expensive sport in the world. Question 10. He passed his English exam very easily. The correct answer is easily. He passed his English exam very easily. Congratulations, the exam is over. Please comment your score for me. Thank you. See you later.